Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Mango app. If you find this app not worth the memory it's holding, then this video might be helpful. So let's get started. Open Google Play Store. Now in the search bar, type in Mango and perform your search. Now tap on Mango app. To uninstall Mango application, tap on the uninstall button. And if you are sure, tap on uninstall once again. And this is how you can uninstall Mango app. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.